Is this guy right here, Chester Taylor, because he still moves the guy in the backfield, but they're not going to run